Here's exactly how to turn off age restrictions on your iPhone so you can download any app, watch any movie, and bypass content blocks right now. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content Privacy Restrictions. From here, you will have two options. To remove restrictions on a specific media, tap Store, Web, Media, and Games. You can now go through the categories and lift the limits. For example, tap TV shows and change it to allow all, or tap apps and set it to unrated. You will need to enter your screen time passcode to confirm these changes. Alternatively, if you want to disable all restrictions entirely, just go back one page and toggle off the master switch for content and privacy restrictions at the very top. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials.